Hey guys, it's Kim and I have a 7-minute laundry challenge for you. My friend Katie over on GreenishKatie came up with this 7-minute laundry challenge where you need to fold a whole load of laundry and put it away in 7 minutes. I have yet to successfully be able to do this. I have tried this tons and tons of times. I must have a large washing machine, or I just overstuff my washing machine, because I can never get this done and put away in 7 minutes. So I am doing this challenge as just to be able to fold the laundry in 7 minutes. I usually set a timer now every single time I fold laundry, because I can be one who will take an hour to fold and put away laundry. I just get so distracted when I'm folding laundry. I step away and do something else, and it just ends up piling up on my couch. So setting a timer has been a game changer for me, and it makes it kind of fun and off the couch in just a matter of minutes. So if you guys notice the cloth diapers and the regular laundry here that I'm folding, I actually don't wash my cloth diapers and regular laundry together. I just had 5 different loads of laundry piled up on the couch, all mixed together, and this was the last load I had to fold. So when I'm folding laundry and trying to do it quickly, I found that making piles and sorting the laundry as I'm folding helps a lot. And another tip, something that I've been doing recently, is when I let the laundry really pile up, like I have 5 loads to do, I've been sorting everything before I fold. So I will separate my girls' clothes and my clothes and my husband's clothes, and then just fold one person's laundry at a time, and that cuts down significantly so that you're not having to sort as you go. Definitely if you just have one load of laundry, that's ideal. But if you're a busy mom, it's likely that you can get behind on laundry. So that is one of my favorite tips for when I have those huge laundry days. I'm going to admit that I do not sort my laundry based on color or fabric type or anything. I am the lazy laundry person that just, once the laundry basket is full, I put it in the washing machine. We wash all of our clothes together, so I know that isn't great for a lot of the fabrics. We haven't had any issues with color transfer, and most of our clothes are relatively inexpensive. So it just is a big time saver for me not to sort laundry. But leave me a comment below. Is that crazy to you, or do you not sort your laundry either? Another tip I have is that I always save my socks for the end. That way I don't have to be sifting through the pile to find matches. I'll just have all of the socks from the whole family in one big pile, and it's so much easier to find matches than if you're trying to search through the entire basket of laundry. Okay, so there's about 20 seconds left. So I'm just going to put my girls' laundry in one basket to go upstairs. And this is an entire pile, 7 socks that don't have a match. I have no idea how that happens. And then in the other basket are the clothes to go downstairs, which are my clothes and my husband's, and some of the cloth diapers. All right, I did it. Bye, guys.